Emily just pointed something out interesting to me. I'm going to go ahead and narrate this one and try to protect the camera from wind. Emily was noticing that there was sap leaking out of this big stump. And we looked closer and we found that there are indeed... Nani? Oh, there are lots of...
First, I'm thinking this is like a star.
Yeah, it looks like a star.
So, I come close. Oh.
Ants.
Oh.
Everywhere. Black ants all over the place. And here. And we looked at the sap. And if you look really closely, you'll see that there are ants trapped in the sap. And there's nothing really we can do to help them out. They're still so stuck that if we tried, they would be basically torn to pieces if we tried to get them out. There's more over here. Now the reason that's interesting, let's walk as we talk, the reason that that's interesting, fix this zoom, is that, and this is basically a little information to share with Emily and everybody else. Ant sap like that can produce something called amber, which is a fossilized resin sap like that. And if there's insects trapped in the amber, it can be basically like a time capsule. There are insects in globs of amber like that are very, very old. I don't know exactly how old, but I mean, we're talking a long time. And we get to see a glimpse of what those, very different from fossils where you can't actually see the animal itself. This is actually a glimpse of the animal itself from a long time ago. What's Papa doing?
Blah, blah, blah.
That's true. But do you get the idea, Emily? Are you doing underneath the leaf there?
Again.
Do you get the idea? That the insect could be like a fossil and stay there for a long time? Wakata? Kind of.
Why they don't die?
Well, they do die. They do die, and then they get covered up in this. They're covered up in this stuff, and then they don't. They just stay like that forever, and then that stuff becomes like a rock. And then later you can find it and pick it up and it's like a rock, but there's a bug inside. And that's what I'm talking about. Do you get it now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay.
Blah, blah.
Yeah, more blah blah blah. Papa does a lot of blah blah blah, but that's what I do. Say bye bye.
And the dog.
Oh yeah, we're coming to that dog zone again. Okay. You want to say anything else before we go?
Dog kawaii.
In Nihongo de, Eigo de nan to you?
Scary dog.
Scary dogs. There we go. Dog kawaii. Hear them barking?
Wow.
Yeah, there we go.
Wow.
On the super long leash. Say bye bye.
Super long.
Bye bye, Amy.
Bye bye.